I'm Chris with iPhone in Canada with a look at the WeMo Light Switch from Belkin. And before I start, I want to say I've been using the WeMo Switch for a couple of years for our Christmas tree and other stuff around the house and loving it. So if you want me to do a review of the WeMo Switch, just let me know in the comment section. Now, I got the WeMo Light Switch for Christmas and installed it at our front door. My wife and I have a bad habit of forgetting to leave the front light on when we go out at night, and when we come home it can be tricky to get the door unlocked because it's so dark. But also, leaving the light on for a few hours also uses electricity, which costs money. So this way, we can leave the light off and turn it on with our iPhones when we pull into the driveway. It's very convenient. So as for the install, it doesn't take too long and it's pretty straightforward, but remember you are dealing with electrical cables, so one, remember to shut off the power, and two, if you have any concerns or you just don't feel you can do it, make sure you call someone that you trust that can help you, or you can even call an electrician. Now before you install it, make sure it's compatible. The WeMo Light Switch isn't compatible with three-way multi-location control switches. Oh, and make sure you're getting a good Wi-Fi signal where you're installing it. The one thing I will say is the instructions mentioned using the ground wire is optional, but if you have a ground wire, use it. Mine was hidden, but we did find it, so you may have to look closely. Again, the install is straightforward and you should have it done in a couple of minutes. Next, it's on to setting up the connection using the app, and honestly, for me, this was the longest part. Even with my WeMo Switch, I found setting up these Belkin devices a little finicky. It's taken several tries to get the devices set up properly and connected to my network, so it can be a bit frustrating. But once it's all set up, it's been rock solid. I've never had issues where it stopped responding or lost connection. Just for some reason, the setup has given me a few troubles. Once you set it up, now you can turn on the light using your mobile device, but it goes beyond that. With the app, you can set the name of the location. This way, if you have more than one, you know which is which. You can even set your own picture for the device within the app. But what I like best is setting up schedules. Recently, we went on vacation, and so we set up a schedule for the lights to go on and off, but we didn't want them coming on and going off every day at the same time. So within the app, we set it up that each day the front light and a light hooked up to the WeMo Switch would turn on and off at different times. It's really handy. I love being able to turn on and off the light using my mobile device from wherever I am using Wi-Fi or my cellular network. I love what Belkin is doing with its WeMo line of products to give you wireless control over home appliances and products. And what's nice is you don't need a fancy new home. These products will work with pretty much any home. Now, if you enjoyed this video, I'd appreciate a like. It helps me grow my channel. And don't forget to subscribe. That way you won't miss any of my future videos or giveaways. And make sure to follow me on Twitter. For more daily iOS and Apple news, make sure you check out iPhone in Canada. I'm Chris with iPhone in Canada. Thanks for watching.